Have you always wanted to learn data science? This is the first video in a series where we learn data science with the Python programming language. Don't worry if you have never programmed before. We'll teach you along the way, and Python was specifically built to be easy to use. If you want to learn Python in more detail, check out the playlist in the description. It is one of the most popular general-purpose, scripting languages out there. It wasn't named after the snake, rather the popular British comedy, Monty Python, but it's still a pretty cool coincidence. Let's get started. First, let's define what data science is. The exact definition depends on who you ask, but most definitions fit this definition pretty well. Data science is the application of statistics and computation, in order to better understand a problem, to help solve that particular problem. In data science, our goal is to solve problems. Remember, our goal is impact. We want to solve problems. Programming and statistics is just a tool. Don't get carried away with an analysis, and forget the ultimate goal. To further our understanding, let's take a look at the data science Venn diagram. It was designed by Drew Conway, the Chief Executive Officer of Alluvium. It shows us the three key parts of data science, which separate data science from other areas, such as traditional research. First, we have our hacking skills. For us, this will be our Python coding. Hacking skills are our skills to help the data science process, but technically are not primitive to what a data scientist is and does. A data scientist is not a coder, but being able to scrape websites for data, take data from a database with the structured query language, or use coding to do the advanced statistics for us, is a huge boost for the work of someone in data science. We teach you all about hacking skills in this course. Next, we have math and statistics. This is the math that helps us process and understand data. This is probably the most obvious part of data science, and needs little explanation. Finally, we have substantive expertise. Data science is all about problems. Substantive expertise means we have domain knowledge for the industry that we are solving the problem for. This helps us better understand the problem we are solving. At the end of the day, data science is all about problems, so we need to understand them. As you can see, data science is the combination of all these three skills. Traditional research involves using math and domain knowledge to solve problems. You have probably done traditional research. You may have used fundamental statistics concepts to investigate a problem for something that you are interested in, like sports, or a problem that your school is facing. Machine learning is about using math and programmed algorithms, so that a machine can learn from the data it is given by finding trends in the data. This is very technical, but it lacks the domain knowledge to truly understand the problem that it is learning about. The danger zone is using hacking skills and domain knowledge. At the surface, it looks like you know what you are doing. You can actually find great insights in the danger zone. The trouble is, without a good mathematical base, you may misinterpret the data. Remember, it is very easy to lie with statistics. Every statistician will tell you that. Now we know what data science is. Check the playlists in the description for data science, so we can learn about the world's data.